I'm using my Pixel phone in desktop mode, and today I'll show you how Netflix, Prime Video and Chrome browsing look in this mode. But before that, if you want to learn how to connect your Pixel phone in desktop mode, you can watch the video that appears in the card above. Now, starting with Netflix, I can easily browse movies using an external mouse. Movies are also displayed in full screen, even with my standard subscription. Now let's check Prime Video. As you can see, I can browse easily using a mouse. Movies also play in full screen. Finally, let's check browsing. I'm using Chrome to browse the next website. I can browse easily and the website is responsive. Overall, using a Pixel phone in desktop mode is a good option for simple apps such as Netflix, Prime Video and Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.